Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Ay. This is for my Rasta brothers and sisters. Yeah, man. Me walk barefoot on the red dirt road. Sunset glow, me carry no load. Me see you dear, natural and bright. Your aura blaze like a firelight. Your locks flow like a river bend. Your smile heal me, not pretend. Queen of earth, Jah design your soul. Inna your presence, me feel whole. You no need no gold or chain. Your power move like mountain rain. Your chant is soft, your steps divine. Jah bless your way and your spirit shine. Roots and Empress under moon glow. Me and you will let the healing flow. Smoke rise slow like sacred song. Together we chant where hearts belong. Roots and Empress, no rush, no race. Just love and herb in a natural space. No system cage, no fake disguise. Just truth in your eyes under starlit skies. We sit by the fire, sip ital tea. You read Psalms while me roll the tree. You say love is not a game to play. Me say Jah guide we every day. Me bring me jump, yo bring your voice. In the silence we rejoice. No need no crowd, no vanity. Just we and Jah in unity. Your spirit deep like ancient stone. Your laugh it echo down to bone. Rasta Queen, Empress of light. Me stay beside you day and night. You no bend for Babylon lie. You walk tall, your spirit high. You meditate before sunrise. You cook with love, me give thanks twice. Me see woman strong and free. Rasta lioness rooted tree. The world might fear what it can define, but me stand firm and call you mine. Roots and Empress, hold me close. Your presence sweet like morning dose. We share this life with urban praise. Walk in love through Zion bliss. Roots and Empress, eternal spark. We light up fire inna the dark. Just me and you, no system rule. Just Jah love and reggae school. So when the world feel cold and rough, me look upon you and that's enough. You not wear mask, you not pretend. Your love is fire that can't end. Me nah need mansion or no gold chain. Me need your hand when it start rain. Me need your chant when me soul weak. Me need your light when me can't speak. Me say every Rasta need a queen. Not just beauty but sight unseen. Your wisdom flow like ancient stream. You guide me through Jah given dream. Roots and Empress, this is more than love. It's liberty, it's from above. We rise with drum, we rise with flame. Two souls, one light, one sacred name. So blaze the chalice and feel the air. Rasta love live everywhere. In the hills, in the sound, in the wind. So free Zion echoes, you and me. Ay, ay, ay. Zion in the jungle, smoke chalice and meditate. Yeah, man. Me step out the yard with the chalice warm. Rhythm in a chest, no need for alarm. Me call the herbs by them ancient name. Sacred fire, not just a flame. Me hold the leaf like it burning eye. Grown pan hill under Georgia sky. No synthetic, no man-made scheme. Me burn the bush from the root me say it elevate me mind. Me use it fi chant, fi meditate, fi see truth behind the gate. Holy smoke rise up to Zion, carry me prayer to the mighty lion. Every puff a part of me him, every draw me cleanse me sin. Holy smoke light up the ear, me soul fly free, me can't stay here. From the hills to the deepest sea, the herbs of wisdom set I free. Me nah smoke fi hype or show, me smoke fi let me spirit grow. Me light it with respect, not haste. Me time with herb, me never waste. Me remember elders a chant the fire, telling you to stay far from liar. Use the plant fi balance your soul, fi reconnect with your natural role. Me boil it in tea, me burn it slow. Me walk the land where ganja grow. Me sing to the trees, me give them praise. Me live upright all me days. Me chant Rasta man, burn it fi vision. No illusion, just higher mission. Me nah hide the smoking shame. Fi me use is not fi game. Me burn it fi the healing right. Fi chant in a this silent night. Me close me eyes, me leave the ground. Me float pan rhythm, me soul surround. Holy smoke rise up to Zion, carry me prayer to the mighty lion. Every puff a part of me him, every draw me cleanse me sin. Holy smoke, the sacred breeze, me feel Jah whisper through the trees. High me go, but deep me stay. Me find me path, me find me way. Me walk through town with spliff in hand. System na overstand the plan. Them say herb make your lazy mind, but look on me, me strong, me kind. Me write lyrics straight from source. Me words gallop and I bingy ass. Me teach youth fi overstand the root, fi burn corruption from the boot. Me say respect herb, don't abuse. It a gift not just for use. Meditation, not recreation, is the key to real elevation. So when you light your next fire stick, give thanks for life, don't move too quick. Chant some, sip roots, hold peace. Let your warrior tension cease. Holy smoke, me rise with thee. Me free from cage, me heart agree. So Zion echoes carry the flame, and every listener call your name. Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. We walk the road with Jah by my side. In the darkness, me never hide. Me feel the light, me feel the flame. Me walk in truth, me walk no shame. The world a turn, the world a spin, but me heart a pure, me soul within. Me rise up strong, me rise up tall. Me hear the call, me answer the call. Me no follow the crowd, me no follow the trend. Me follow Jah's path, me walk to the end. In every step, me feel the power. Me walk with Jah in the final hour. Jah's guiding light, me walk in the glow. Me follow the way, me need to know. Me rise up strong, me rise so bright. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me no fear the struggles, me no fear the fight. Me face the battles, me stand for the right. Me no bow down, me no fall in line. Me rise in Jah's love, me soul divine. The road me travel, me walk in faith. Me trust Jah, me trust the grace. Me heart a pure, me spirit true. Me walk in the light, me walk for the few. The fire up burning, me soul so bright. Me rise up high, me shine like the light. Me face the storm, me face the rain, but me never lost. Me feel no pain, just guiding light. Me walk in the glow, me follow the way. Me need to know. Me rise up strong, me rise so bright. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the fall. Me stand in just power, me stand tall. Me hear the voice, me hear the sound. Me rise in love, me rise from the ground. Jaja guide me every step. Me walk in his path, me never forget. Me feel the strength, me feel the call. Me walk with Jah, me stand tall. Me rise in peace, me rise in love. Me rise in Jah's grace from above. Me walk in truth, me walk in light. Me rise in glory, me rise in sight. Just guiding light, me walk in the glow. Me follow the way, me need to know. Me rise up strong, me rise so bright. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me walk in Jah's light, me walk in the flame. Me rise in truth, me rise in his name. With Jah by my side, me never stray. Me walk in Jah's light, me lead the way. Jah's guiding light, me walk in the glow. Roll up the spliff for Kachka style. See fire blaze through the night. Jaja wisdom me guiding light. Burn the chalice, herbs ignite. Freedom rise, Babylon take flight. See fire blaze through the night. Jaja wisdom me guiding light. Burn the chalice, herbs ignite. Freedom rise, Babylon take flight. Them want control me, but me stand so tall. Babylon chains can't hold my soul at all. With me chalice of white widow pure. Rasta chant for the one secure. The lion roars, me spirit soar. Through the storm, me knock Jah door. Them can't silence the truth me bore. Babylon shake to the Rasta core. Oh, the roots grow deep, the winds them howl. Oh, the moonlight guide, the wolf them growl. Oh, me chant for the light, fi break the cold. One Jah love for the weary soul. Pass the spliff with the diesel strong. Jah vibration make the wicked wrong. The smoke rise high, the spirits belong to the Zion drum, the eternal song. Blaze the fire, let the ashes fall. Babylon crumble, them lose it all. Me walk with Jah on Zion hall. Herbs in a hand, me hear Jah call. Roll up the split for Kochka style. Says fire blaze through the night. Jaja wisdom me guiding light. Burn the chalice, herbs ignite. Freedom rise, Babylon take flight. Sail fire blaze through the night. Jaja wisdom me guiding light. Burn the chalice, herbs ignite. Freedom rise, Babylon take flight. Them want control me, but me stand so tall. Babylon chains can't hold my soul at stand for the one secure. The lion roars, me spirit soar. Through the storm, me knock your door. Close your eyes, feel the bass line deep. This reggae rhythm wake you from sleep. Light up the chalice, slow and wise. We travel far beyond the skies. Me not fly plane, me ride the sound. Me leave me flesh, me soul unbound. Me float pan clouds, me reason star. Jah kingdom not far, it right where you are. Nobody stop this cosmic gate. Me spirit move in timeless state. Meditation guide the route, while drum beat chant out sacred truth. Rasta astral flight, hold tight, we blazing love, we blazing light. High grade in a chalice, firm in sight. We levitate through Jah divine night. No gravity can hold we down. We wear the herb like royal crown. Rasta flight, no end, no start. Jah navigation, lead me heart. Me touch Saturn, reason with moon. Sing praises under cosmic tune. Them can't block this vibration ride. Me soul no hide, me not divide. Me meet me ancestors in a light. Them say keep chanting your future bright. Them hand me drum, me hand them flame. Together we beat Babylon shame. Stars whisper secrets in our ear. Me see so clear when me not fear. Ganja leaf expand me view. Me see me purpose, me path, me crew. So light it up, no be afraid. This herbal wisdom long time made. It not just high, it's ancient code. Unlock your soul, walk Jah road. Breathing slow, hold your vibe. Feel Jah presence, start to scribe. The rhythm guide, me body sway, but me soul a travel far away. Rasta astral flight, through space, we chanting strong in Jah embrace. No dark force can dim this glow. We shine like sun, high and low. Take a draw, then let it be. The spirit rise eternally. Rasta flight, true sound and flame. No passport need, just Jah name. Me see planet Earth from far above. So much pain, so little love. But in a heights, me find the key. Rasta way set our mind free. Me chant one love for the human race. Me chant more peace in a every place. Me chant them wake from mental trap. Me chant till Babylon wall collapse. So when you smoke, not just get high. Use the herb fi open your eye. Give thanks, reason, listen well. Jah live inside where truth a dwell. Astral flight, we rise above. No hate, just herb and rootsy love. We no chase fame, we seek light. Reggae meditation and not the night. So if you're ready, step inside. Let Rasta rhythm be your guide. Close your eye, inhale Jah flame, and ride the wave. No fear, no shame. Zion echoes, vol 5 complete. The message strong, the rhythm sweet. Next journey soon come. Hold on tight till then. Keep flying through the high night.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, man, one day me wake up, sunlight in me face. Reach for the paper, roll it smooth, no ease. Me spliff so thick, it's like me hooey. Light it up slow, take a puff, don't be shy. Ganja firm ripe, the buds them so sweet. From the hills the flavor can't be beat. I me roll it up, spliff so tall. Bigger than my hooey, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze. Laughing with my fam, doing as we please. Yeah, man, me brethren stepping is feeling so nice. Spliff in hand, burning smooth like ice. The smoke so thick, it fills up the air. We puff it slow, no worries, no care. Ganja boss roll through with a grin. Me love the vibes, y'all blowing again. I me roll it up, spliff so tall. Bigger than my boy, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze. Laughing with my fam, doing as we please. We puff, pass the rhythm, don't stop. My feet off the ground, man, I'm floating to the top. My girl start giggling, she says, who's that? That spliff so fat, I can't even chat. I tell her, don't worry, me got plenty more. This herb's like treasure, it's what we adore. I me roll it up, spliff so tall. Bigger than my cool, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze. Laughing with my fam, doing as we please. From the finest weed, we take the best hit. Green so fresh, we can't quit. Spliff so big, we pass it around. In the ganja land, peace is found. I me roll it up, spliff so tall. Bigger than my cool, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze. Laughing with my fam, doing as we please. So if you see me with a spliff in me hand, know I'm chilling in the ganja land. Come join the crew, let the good vibes flow. Together we rise, let the good times grow.
Zion echoes.
Aye, give me the boobats. Aye, Rastafari, giving we eye the herb ablaze, the smoke reach the sky. Me sky. Me say light up the fire, the rhythm I play. Jaja bless the people, me chant and pray. The Babylon falling, the youth them rise. Rebel sound I play, Jah wisdom wise. Me wake up early, burn the spliff in the morning. Svetka by me side, the good vibes calling. Me step out fresh, sunshine pon me face. The breeze blow sweet, me feel Jah grace. The drum a beat, bassline so heavy. Rasta chant loud, me ready, me steady. Me no fear, no evil, me walk the light. Jah protect me soul, day and night. We are the rebels, we burn the system. Rasta man chant the Babylon, we dismiss them. Inna the dance, the people unite. Jah love us shine like the stars so bright. We are the rebels, the warriors true. Inna the reggae fire, me find me crew. We blaze the herb, we chant for life. Inna Jah love, we end the strife. Me say Babylon try, but them can't stop me flow. Me ride the rhythm, me move so slow. The herb a burn, me mind elevate. Me look on the world, me see the hate. But love a me weapon, Jah truth me shield. Me stand up firm, me nah go yield. Me chant down wickedness, me chant down lies. Rasta man rise, we open we eyes. We are the rebels, we burn the system. Rasta man chant the Babylon, we dismiss them. Inna the dance, the people unite. Jah love us shine like the stars so bright. We are the rebels, the warriors true. Inna the reggae fire, me find me crew. bass a thump, the rhythm so deep. Me close me eyes, me soul fi keep. Under the moonlight, the fire blaze. We chant the psalms, give Jah the praise. The smoke rise high, the spirit free. Inna this reggae, me find me peace. We are the rebels, we burn the system. Rasta man chant the Babylon, we dismiss them. Inna the dance, the people unite. Jah love us shine like the stars so bright. We are the rebels, the warriors true. Inna the reggae fire, we find
Me rise up, me stand tall. The fire ablaze, it can't fall. Jah roots run deep in me soul. Me a warrior, me reach me goal. Me chant the truth, me chant the light. Fighting the struggle, me stay in the fight. Roots of fire are burning me chest. Jah teachings guide me, me know the best. Me no look for the easy way out. Me face the trials, me scream and shout. But me know me mission, me know me way. Me guide the people, me show them the way. Me rise like the sun, me rise up each day. With Jah by me side, me walk the right way. Roots of fire deep inna me heart. Me stand firm, me play me part. Roots of fire, the blaze are true. Me walk the path, Jah lead me through. No fear, no shame, me not turn back. Roots of fire, me on the right track. Me rise up strong, me no look back. Me follow Jah's light, me stay on track. Roots of fire, me soul so pure. Me walk the road, me sure me endure. Me feel the power, me feel the strength. Me go the distance, me go the length. Them try fi block me, them try fi chain. But me rise up again, me feel no pain. Me see the light, me feel the heat. Roots of fire burn beneath me feet. Me rise in glory, me stand in truth. Me walk the journey for the inner youth. Me fight the system, me fight for the oppressed. Me stand for the poor, me stand for the blessed. The fire I burn it, no need no wick. Roots of fire, it's strong and quick. Me rise above the darkness and the lies. Me hold me head up to the clear blue skies. Me no look back, me no have no regrets. Roots of fire, me walk with no debts. Roots of fire, the blaze are true. Me walk the path, Jah lead me through. No fear, no shame, me not turn back. Roots of fire, me on the right track. Me rise up strong, me no look back. Me follow Jah's light, me stay on track. Roots of fire, me soul so pure. Me walk the road, me sure me endure. Me rise through the storm, me rise through the rain. Me chant the rhythm to ease the pain. Roots of fire, I keep me warm. Me feel the strength, me rise from the norm. Me hear the people cry out for help. Me rise up strong, me know for help. Jah give me the strength, Jah give me the guide. Roots of fire, me can't. Zion roots. Me hear the call, Jah's voice in the breeze. Me feel the power, me feel the peace. Me rise in the morning, me rise in the night. Me hear Jah's calling, me stand for the right. Through the struggles, me rise so bold. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the old. Me hear the whisper in the winds of the air. Jah calling me, Jah calling me near. Me rise for the voiceless, me rise for the lost. Me rise for the ones who pay the cost. Me stand for the children, me fight for the weak. Me rise in Jah's name, me rise to speak. Rise up, Jah's calling, rise up today. Me rise for the righteous, me rise for the way. Jah's calling me rise in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise for the right. injustice, me see the fight. Me hear Jah's voice, me walk in the light. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the love. Me rise for the ones who cry to the above. Me hear the children, me hear the cries. Me rise for the souls who feel the lies. Me stand in the fire, me stand in the rain. Me rise in Jah's power, me rise through the pain. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the dust. Me rise in the power, me rise in the trust. Me fight for the ones who need the release. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the peace. Rise up, Jah's calling, rise up today. Me rise for the righteous, me rise for the way. Jah's calling me rise in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise for the right. Me hear the call for the ones who gone. Me rise in Jah's strength, me rise till the dawn. Me rise for the future, me rise for the land. Me rise for the people, me rise for the stand. Me hear the voices that cry in the night, but me rise with Jah, me rise in the fight. Me rise for the ones who face the strife. Me rise for the future, me rise for the life. Me rise for the love, me rise for the faith. Me rise for the ones who can't catch a break. Jah's calling me rise so true. Me rise in Jah's name, me rise for the new. Rise up, Jah's calling, rise up today. Me rise for the righteous, me rise for the way. Jah's calling me rise in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise for the right. Oh, oh. Rise up today. Oh, oh. Rise up today. Zion roots. Me walk with courage, me walk with might. Me see the truth with me eyes so bright. Me rise like a lion, me never afraid. Me stand for Jah, me stand for the trade. Me see the world through me warrior's eye. Me rise from the struggles, me reach for the sky. Me no fear the dark, me no fear the fight. Me see through the lies, me walk in the light. Me rise up strong, me rise up tall. Me rise for the ones who can't stand at all. Me see the struggles, me see the pain, but me rise again, me rise through the rain. Eyes of the warrior, me see the truth. Me rise for the old, me rise for the youth. With me eyes so open, me see the way. Me eyes of the warrior, me rise every day. Me fight for the ones who can't find the path. Me fight for the souls who face Jah's wrath. Me stand for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise up strong when the world feel bleak. Me see the injustice, me see the wrong. Me rise with Jah, me rise so strong. Me walk with me heart, me walk with me soul. Me eyes of the warrior, me see the goal. Through the trials, me fight for the just. Me walk in the truth, me never lose trust. Me eyes open wide, me never blind. Me fight for the righteous, me fight for the kind. Eyes of the warrior, me see the truth. Me rise for the old, me rise for the youth. With me eyes so open, me see the way. Me eyes of the warrior, me rise every day. Me rise from the depths, me rise from the pain. Me see the strength in the joy and the strain. Me see the fire, me see the light. Me rise in the dark, me rise in the night. Me fight for the ones who lost the fight. Me rise up strong with Jah's light. Me eyes of the warrior, me see the day. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the way. Me never back down, me never lose Damn pollution, I'm a two knowledge in them prayers. Ball crops, they are the scenes. Zion echoes, and Sunshine come provide. Them try to silence the truth, but the fire still a burn. Them fight the righteous, but the tables have been turned. Me see the system full of tricks and lies, but me spirit too strong, me arise. Them want to chain me mind, but me break that spell. Them build the prison, but me escape that. Tell me Chancellor, see I me keep me faith. Jah light shine, me can't lose me way. Me see them send war upon the innocent. Them sell gun fast, but no food for the resident. The leaders a laugh, the ghetto youth cry. But Rasta know Babylon soon dry. Fire still a burn, no matter what them try. Truth still a shine, can cover up the sky. Jah Jah guide, we will never comply. So we chant out loud, we hold we head high. Me see them push drugs fi destroy the youth. Me see them hide the past, them twist the truth. Me see them sell the land fi gold and oil. Me see them make we work, but we never spoil. But me tell the ghetto youth stand firm. Now bout fi no system, no bridge fi burn. The revolution there, the time is now. The wicked a tremble, them sweat pan brow. Me see the judgment, me see the sign. Me see the trumpet, me see the line. The righteous trod, we know the code. No matter the struggle, we walk the road. Make the fire blaze, make the wicked man run. The truth too strong, them can't take none. The mountains shake, the rivers flow. Jah words there, so me can't move slow. Me see the elders tell we the way. We never lose faith, we kneel and pray. Me see the youth, them start fi wake. We a break the chains, we nah go fake. The mission set, the warriors trod. We rise up firm, we heal up Jah. We see the darkness, but we bring light. The fight not done, but we know we right. Fire still a burn, no matter what them try. Truth still a shine, can't cover up the sky. Jah Jah guide, we will never comply. So we chant out loud, we hold we head high. The wicked a fall, the righteous grow. The fire still blaze, the river still flow. Jah kingdom come, the trumpet blow. The truth stand tall, the world fi know. Zion a close. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man, boys, let's go. Watch Rasta. Me say, light it up, me free like the breeze. Me chant for the herb, me find the peace. From the mountains to the seas, Jah herb are the key for the heart at ease. Ganja Glory, the roots of the earth. Me say the herbs bring me back to birth. It runs the gelato, the vibe so pure. We chant for the herb, eating is sure. Me like the spliff, the smoke rise high. Me see the world clear and me touch the sky. Puff the lemon haze, me feel the flow. Full of Jah love, me let it show. The Cali weed make me mind unwind. Me feel the peace, me leave the stress behind. From the indica to the sativa light. Rise in the morning, me feel the flight. High like a bird, me free like the air. Jah herb by the power, nah go nowhere. Ganja Glory, the roots of the earth. Me say the herbs bring me back to birth. Runs the gelato, the vibe so pure. The chant for the herb, eating is sure. From the deep kush to the tropical breeze, smoke the finest, me feel the ease. Me roll the blunt, me take the ride. Herb inna me soul, me no try to hide. Puff the blueberry, me rise and shine. Me so bright, me mind divine. Ganja inna me heart, me never fall. Feel your presence inna every call. So like the fire, me say blaze the night. Free inna Jah herb, me feel so right. Chant for the glory, me no out of sight. Ganja are the truth, heart take flight.
Roots, yes, yeah. Me born for the struggle, me born for the fight. Me rise in the dark, me shine in the light. Me heart a lion, me spirit a true. Me fight for the weak, me fight for the crew. In every battle, me stand firm. Me never give up, me never squirm. Me heart full of courage, me soul full of fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Me rise like the lion, me rise like the sun. My heart pure and true, me no need to run. Me face every challenge, me face every trial. With Jah by my side, me never go vile. Lion's heart, Jah's might me stand tall. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the call. Me rise like the lion, me rise in the light. With Jah in my heart, me full of the might. Me chant for the people, me chant for the poor. Me rise for the ones who can't fight no more. Me fight for the righteous, me fight for the good. Me rise for the ones who misunderstood. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the just. Me walk with the power, me walk with the trust. Me no fear the evil, me no fear the sin. Me stand strong in the name of Jah within. In the face of adversity, me rise and stand. Me fight for the land, me fight for the sand. Me heart full of power, me soul full of grace. Me lion's heart, me walk in Jah place. Lion's heart, Jah's might me stand tall. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the call. Me rise like the lion, me rise in the light. With Jah in me heart, me full of the might. Me face the pressure, me face the stress. But me rise in Jah's love, me feel the bless. The lions roar, me feel it inside. Me stand strong with Jah, me cannot hide. Me walk through the fire, me walk through the flame. Me rise above the struggle, me rise in Jah's name. Me fight for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise up for the ones who cannot speak. The world a turn, the wicked a fight. But me rise with Jah, me rise in the light. Me heart a lion, me soul full of grace. Me rise in Jah's name, me run the race. Lion's heart, Jah's might me stand tall. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the call. Me rise like the lion, me rise in the light. With Jah in me heart, me full of the might. Me rise up strong, me rise in the light. With Jah in me heart, me ready for the fight. Me lion's heart, me spirit a true. Me rise in Jah's name, me fight for the crew. We rise from the depths, me warriors of light. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. The road is long, the battle is fierce, but me heart is strong. Me soul a pierce through the dark, through the pain. Me rise again,
Me rise through the rain. Me heart full of power, me spirit full of fire. Me rise from the ashes, me climb the higher. Me fight for the voiceless, me fight for the weak. Me rise for the ones who can't even speak. Me stand for the righteous, me stand for the free. Me fight for the ones who need liberty. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. The battle is hard, the struggle unreal, but me no back down, me no kneel. Me fight with the power, me fight with the might. Me rise in the day, me rise in the night. Me fight for the children, me fight for the poor. Me fight for the ones who can't take no more. The darkness a come, the evil a creep, but me rise with Jah, me rise so deep. Me fight for justice, me fight for the right. Me warriors of light, me warriors of fight. Me rise through the chaos, me rise through the hate. Me warriors of light, me warriors of faith. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. The wicked that try fi break the soul, but me rise above, me rise so whole. Me fight for the ones who can't fight back. Me rise on the front lines, me never lack. Me rise for the truth, me rise for the love. Me rise with Jah, me rise above. Through the trials, me face the test. Me rise in Jah's name, me stand for the best. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the war. Me rise in Jah's strength, me rise from the core. Me fight for the people, me fight for the right. Me warriors of light, me warriors of fight. Warriors of light, me rise so bold. In the truth me stand, me never fold. We rise from the darkness, we rise from the night. Me warriors of light, me rise in the fight. The roots run deep, me feel it in my soul. Me know the truth, me know me role. In the struggle, me stand tall. Me rise from the fall, me answer the call. Me live for Jah, me live for the light. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Me walk the path that Jah show. Me roots of redemption, me roots me know. Me no follow the wicked, me no follow the lies. Me follow the truth that never dies. Me chant for the people, me chant for the weak. Me fight for the ones who cannot speak. Roots of redemption, me rise up strong. In the truth me stand, me never go wrong. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me roots of redemption, me rise again. Me rise up from the depths of the night. Me face the struggles, me find the light. The road me travel, me know the way. With Jah by my side, me walk every day. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the poor. Me chant for the ones who can't take no more. Me roots run deep, me roots are true. Me stand for the ones who never knew. Me fight for the justice, me fight for the truth. Me rise for the elders, me rise for the youth. Me rise for the people, me rise for the soul. Me roots of redemption, me rise these old. Roots of redemption, me rise up strong. In the truth me stand, me never go wrong. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me roots of redemption, me rise again. The struggles me face, the trials me meet. Me rise with the strength of the lion's feet. Me rise for the ones who never get chance. Me rise for the people in the dance. Me roots in the earth, me roots in the sky. Me rise up strong, me never ask why. Me follow the path that Jah set. Me roots of redemption, me never forget. Me rise with the power of the lion's roar. Me rise for the poor, me rise for the sore. The truth me carry it strong. Me roots of redemption, me sing the song. Roots of redemption.
redemption. Me rise up strong, in the truth me stand. Me never go wrong. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me roots of redemption, me rise again. Me roots of redemption, me rise with pride. Me stand tall, with Jah by my side. Me walk in the truth, me rise every day. Me roots of redemption, me lead the way. Zion roots. Oh oh, oh oh. Me come from the roots, me come from the soil. Me rise like a seed, me rise from the tile. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me stand for the truth, me no go down in vain. Me come from the land where the people unite. Me rise for the justice, me rise for the right. Me fight for the ones who can't speak for their own. Me roots are deep, me roots are strong. Me stand for the elders, me stand for the youth. Me fight for the knowledge, me fight for the truth. Roots of the revolution, me rise on the way. Me rise for the righteous, me rise every day. Roots of the revolution, me rise in the sun. Me fight for the people, me fight for the one. Roots of the revolution, me rise so high. Me stand for the truth, me never pass by. I fierce, the war still a rage, but me rise as a warrior, me rise from the stage. Me roots are the strength, me roots are the fire. Me rise feed the cause, me rise feed the higher. Me chant feed the ones who have lost the way. Me rise feed the future, me rise feed the day. Me fight feed the freedom, me fight feed the peace. Me roots in the revolution, me fight feed the release. Me no fear the system, me no fear the chain. Me fight feed the people, me fight feed the gain. Me stand feed the ones who can't make a stand. Me roots of the revolution, me rise on the land. Roots of the revolution, me rise in the sun. Me fight feed the people, me fight feed the one. Roots of the revolution, me rise so high. Me stand feed the truth, me never pass by. From the ashes, me rise from the fire. Me roots in the revolution, me rise higher and higher. Me fight feed the truth, me fight feed the love. Me rise with the power, me rise from above. The world are full of struggles, the world are full of pain. Me roots in the revolution will break every chain. Me rise feed the justice, me rise feed the peace. Me roots of the revolution, me fight feed the release. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me sisters. Me fight feed the future, me fight feed the listeners. Me roots of the revolution, me stand in the flame. Me rise feed the truth, me rise for the name. Roots of the revolution, me rise in. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Zion echoes. The youth them tired, the system's lie. We chant the truth, we make them cry. The fire burn, the wicked run. The battle starts, but we not done. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. But Jah blessings fall like rain. The revolution start today. We take the fight, we find the way. Revolution time, no turn around. We chant the song, we shake the ground. One love strong, we hold it tight. We make the world see the light. Revolution time, the people rise. The wicked fall, the truth survive. We
more suffering, no more pain. We break the chains, we change the game. The elders guide, the youth man stand. We take the lead, we change the land. The Babylon, them can't divide. We're strong in heart, we're full of pride. We walk the path, we do it right. The revolution full of light. Revolution time, no turn around. We chant the song, we shake the ground. One love strong, we hold it tight. We make the world see the light. Revolution time, the people rise. The wicked fall, the truth survive. We push ahead, we hold the line. The victory sure, the future shine. Me trod the road, me never stray. Me see the signs, me kneel and pray. The journey long, the battle hard, but Jaja blessings take me far. Me chant the Psalms, me chant it high. The revolution touch the sky. The wicked run, them hide them face. We stand up firm, we set the pace. Revolution time, no turn around. We chant the song, we shake the ground. One love strong, we hold it tight. We make the world see the light. Revolution time, the people rise. The wicked fall, the truth survive. We push ahead, we hold the line. The victory sure, the future shine. We march ahead, we never stop. The fire blaze, the system drop. We take the lead, we make it known. The people rise, the love is shown. Me see the future bright and strong. The revolution lasts so long. We fight for truth, we fight for love. Jaja bless with from above. Revolution time, the fire rise. We make the change, we make them wise. One love strong, we push ahead, we trot. Yeah. Zion echoes. Oh, me trod up on the righteous road. Me carry the fire, me lift the load. The sun still shine, the river flow. Me chant your name, me soul aglow. Me walk it slow, me walk it deep. The lessons learned, me soul can weep. The elders teach, the youth them rise. We break the chains, we open eyes. Me see the system try fi bind, but me nah go give them my mind. We hold the love, we spread it wide. The power strong, me feel inside. Righteous road, me trod it still. The fire blaze, the love fulfill. No wicked heart can hold me back. Me move ahead, me stay on track. Them try to take we culture away. Them change the truth, them lead astray. But me hold strong, me know me pass. The wisdom shine, it ever lasts. Me see the youths, them need a guide. We show the path, we stand with pride. The music play, the drum them talk. The righteous way, me still a walk. Oh, me chant it loud, me chant it clear. The voice of Jah, it's always near. We hold the light, we hold the flame. The righteous trod, the world can't tame. Me cross the mountain, me reach the sea. Me feel the spirit guiding me. The roots them strong, the tree can't fall. The love of Jah stand over all. No vanity, no wicked game. We burn the fire, we call Jah name. The time is now, we rise above. We chant for peace, we chant for love. Oh, me trod upon the righteous road. Me carry the fire, me lift the load.
the sun still shine, the river flow. Me chant your name, me soul aglow. Ooh, yeah. Zion echoes, yeah. Oh, me trod upon the righteous road. Me carry fire, me lift below. The sun still shine, the river flow. Me chant your name, me soul aglow.
Zion echoes, ay, ay, ay. From the roots of the earth, we start me journey. We find the truth, we rise from the early. The herb in me hand, it make me steady. Rasta man rise, me walk the path ready. Me light the fire, the smoke rise high. Me chant for the ancestors, feed the most high. The ganja in me veins, it make me fly. Me nah look back, me only look to the sky. Babylon I tried, to keep me down, but the herb give me strength, me now wear the frown. Me burn the blue dream, make the vibes all round. Me a Rasta, me roots unbound. Me not follow the system, me not follow the crowd. Me choose Jah way, me stand me ground proud. Me ganja make me see through the fake and the loud. The truth in the ear, the smoke cloud. Roots of Jah make me rise from the ground. Herb in the ear, the truth to be found. Me chant for the fire, the blessings profound. Roots of Jah, for Jah we resound. Me like the chalice, the smoke fill the room. Me rise from the valley, me rise from the gloom. Me feel the power, me feel the boom. The ganja make me wise, me feel the bloom. Me sip the tea, me sip the herb. Me nah get lost in the Babylon blur. Me meditate deep, me mind a stir. Me chant for the most high, me soul conquer. The fire keep burning, the roots keep growing. Herb make me steady, me keep it flowing. Me see the truth, the knowledge keep showing. Me nah stop for Babylon, me nah stop going. Me rise like the sun, me rise like the dawn. Me chant for Jah, Jah for the strength me drawn. The ganja make me strong, the soul reborn. Me stay rooted, me nah get torn. The herb make me wise, the herb make me free. The chalice rise high, the spirit agree. Me chant the rhythm, me chant the key. The roots of Jah, the truth we decree. Roots of Jah make me rise from the ground. Herb in the ear, the truth to be found. Me chant for the fire, the blessings profound. Roots of Jah, for Jah we resound. Me walk the path, me walk it firm. For the truth, me search for the light, me yearn. The ganja give me peace, the ganja give me term. Me stay rooted, me stay confirmed.